What's up guys, welcome to Apex. If you own a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, here is an exciting news for you guys. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for this fitness band. This update was available in South Korea a couple of weeks ago and now it is globally available. Now this update is kind of important because this brings in some improvements, especially the stability improvements and bug fixes for this watch. Now to update the watch, all you need to do is just go to Samsung wearable application while you're connected to the fitness band. You will see a band setting right here at the bottom. Just tap on that. Now here, go all the way down. You will see band software update. Just tap on that. You will see the update available here on top. You can just tap on download and install. Now, if this is available in your region, it will show up right here. And if it is not available, then you may not get this update notification here in this particular section. Now, you can see the version number ends with AXE1. There are a couple of important fixes. One is for the notification. The usability of notifications operations has been improved. And then we have got stability and reliability improvements. So if you're facing any issues with respect to this watch, then this update should fix it, especially the notification issue. And this notification issue can be with respect to the lag to show the notifications while connected to the watch, or maybe there was some connectivity issue with respect to the notification between the watch and the phone. This update should fix those errors. Now, I've seen some of you guys mentioning that some of the notifications from some particular applications are not showing up on the watch. Maybe after this update, you will be able to get those notifications. Now, as far as the stability of this watch is concerned, it is running very smoothly, but I did see some of you guys mentioning about the step count issues, the accuracy of the step count, or the lags on the watch. Then this update should improve the accuracy on this watch with respect to the steps count. And if there is any lag or stutters on the watch, this update should fix it. Now, the size of this update is about 21.70 MB. All you need to do is just tap on update. The update will get downloaded instantly and it will immediately start transferring this update to the watch. You see, it is transferring the update here. It says time left is about 3 minutes. Now let's wait for this update to complete. You see the watch is getting restarted now and the update is getting installed, and while updating it, the watch will get disconnected from the phone. So nothing to worry about that. It is going to take a few minutes to update the watch, so patiently wait for it. You see the update is just completed and it is restarting now. It says band updated. As soon as it gets restarted, the watch will get connected to the phone and we will be able to use it. Let me just press the button here. You see, it is running smoothly without any issues as before. Frankly, I did not notice any lags on the watch. It's a very smooth operating system we have got on this watch. And in terms of steps count accuracy, it was almost as good as the Galaxy watches that we have. I did test the accuracy on this watch, compared it with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. You can go ahead and check out that video. I have posted a few videos about this watch. You can go ahead and check the channel. I will leave a few links in the description. Now let me just quickly review this watch. I used this watch for a few weeks and then I passed it on to my wife as well. She has been using it for some time. And right now on this watch, I have not applied any screen protector or screen guard on this. And you can see it has fared pretty well. There are no scratches on this glass here. You see, it's been a couple of months since we have been using this watch and there are no scratches on the screen without the screen guard, as well as on the frame. Looks like this is a pretty sturdy watch. The materials used on this watch is quite strong and it is quite durable as well. Even the band, for that matter, it did not get that dirty. Even though it's a white colored band, it's very easy to clean off the dirt from this band. Now, as far as the UI is concerned, it's a very simple UI we have got. We have got some basic applications. We can't really install additional applications from the store or anything. We don't have a store, in fact, because this runs on its own custom-made UI on this particular band, unlike the Galaxy watches that we have, which runs on Wear OS. It's very light, very easy to use, very easy to wear during sleeping. It tracks the sleep accurately. It tracks as good as the Galaxy watches. I would rather prefer this watch to wear during the night for sleep tracking because this is quite light, unlike the Galaxy watches, and it's very, very comfortable to wear in the night. And as far as the health-centric features are concerned, it packs everything that we need. It tracks all the exercises that we do. So we've got this health application on the watch which shows us daily activities, steps count, exercises, this week workout information, sleep tracking, calories burnt, heart rate, stress measurement, and cycle tracking for women, water consumption counter, blood oxygen, And then we also have view challenges option, which is available for the Galaxy watches as well. And we also get to customize some watch faces here on this watch. We get close to about 100 watch faces for this particular band. And it just costs about 1/4 or 1/5 of a Galaxy watch. So it is really worth it if you are into fitness tracking. This is not a smart watch as such, it's a smart band with some smartwatch features such as showing the notifications on the screen. But the issue here is there is no speaker on this particular band. So we only get the vibration feedback even when the phone is lost, or if you kept the phone somewhere in the house and if you want to search it. When you tap on Find My Watch on the wearable application, this will only vibrate, and I don't see what is the point of it. If you're not able to hear anything, how will you even find this watch? So that's an issue. That's how it works on these bands. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know if you have got the update for this watch. Do go ahead and check it on the wearable application. If you got the update, do let me know in the comment section and mention the country you are commenting from. That would help the viewers to understand in which countries the update has been released. That's about it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button to become a part of Apex community to know your Galaxy phones and watches better. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.